Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla style special for Mitsubishi Outlander 2014 to 2019 years to 2020 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Here is a very big box. This Tesla style screen. Okay, and this is special canvas and box. There are two honeys. Okay, let me show honey set first. They come with two honeys. You can check the one of honeys is support the camera, this camera adapter, and camera input, and factory plug. You can check. Outlander, Mitsubishi. Okay, this canvas decoder box, and there AX input left and right. This K1 and K2 for steering wheel controls and GND, but the steering wheel controls decoded by canvas box. This wire do not need to connect. This camera AX left and right. Okay, this is also the for Outlander. Also this camera adapter and other connection. Okay. This is OEM USB and GPS antenna. There are two USB cable and external microphone. This is camera input for backup camera, and AX input left and right. This video input. Okay. And this is subwoofer, and this audio output left and right, front and rear. Okay, let me show how you need. Okay, you can check back what the unit, and there this AC connection on back. Okay. And back of header unit is power, fuse, GPS, and USB cable. There radio antenna. Radio antenna use original one, and the audio and the other connection. Okay, let me connect the power. This is Wi-Fi antenna. And let me find some to The head unit will be started up. Okay. This head unit Outlander special for Mitsubishi. Okay, you can check this front dash kit and home screen. It built in the microphone and the receiver. There is emission, AC information, air climate controls. Okay. And let me check their settings. You can check about tablet PX5 Android 9 system. And you have navigation, Google Maps with radio, and music, console settings for factory car, Bluetooth, video. This car auto for Z-Link, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, all apps are here. It's built in the Play Store. You can download the applications from it. Okay, this is settings, GPS, language, this DSP amplifier, EQ, sound field, okay, and day and night mode. This settings touch tone, you can check speed, and temp you can set. Steering wheel settings, this information, and okay, this home. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.